How comes Africa is coming to be the biggest part of your of the IFC and of your work?
Well, I would say that Africa has been neglected for too many years. This is the reality. And the second reason I believe is Africa needs everything to it. And politicians and multilateral organizations, donors are strongly focusing on Africa. IFC and the World Bank as well. Our project is an example of what is happening today in these countries.
Okay, what is IFC?
IFC is the private sector arm of the World Bank. We are the only agency of the World Bank who can act in the private sector. And we have two main business lines. One is investment, and the other one is technical assistance. I work in technical assistance, and the Credit Bureau project is an example of creating a sufficiently reliable database with information of credit transaction that can show the performance of payment that people, especially the poor, have done in the last 1, 2, 3 years. Based on that, you no longer need collateral, because poor, small, medium enterprises, informal economy cannot give collateral. This is the reality. So you replace with this information on payment performance, which is called reputational collateral, the real collateral. And you amplify, increase the number of people who become eligible for credit, also for banking.
So basically your work is that you allow people to being able to get money.
Exactly. We allow people to build up a credit history. Credit history is just a piece of paper that reports your 3 years performance on how you have paid. Of course, if you have a credit card, you have a personal loan, it's very easy. If you don't, you need different information. But if you're a micro-entrepreneur with a mobile telephone company, and you can show that in the last 24 months you have been paying regularly, that is sufficient. That is enough to create for yourself a credit history. But of course there is technology behind, there is the willingness of the lenders to share data. Sometimes it's very difficult because lenders believe that sharing data, they sell their customers to their competition. So it's awareness, it's a long cycle, you need 18 months, workshops, conferences, but Africa needs everything. So we are doing that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.